Yes, you can get $1,000 in 12 hours using your mobile phone. And I'm talking about your mobile phone, I'm meaning this app. Using this app, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 12 hours, you'll find yourself with $1,000. So if you have a mobile phone like this one, and I mean a smartphone, you have also data or Wi-Fi, I want you to reach near and I show you how you can get $1,000 in 12 hours using your smartphone. When we're talking about using your smartphone, I know there are some of you are going to say, Christine, is it possible? Yes, it is 100% possible. I've done it. This is the proof. If you can check on this, you'll see the amount. This is my fourth withdraw. Yes, you can do it from wherever you are. This app doesn't have restrictions in terms of location. It has no restrictions in terms of age. It has no restriction in terms of status and in terms of sex. Are you a man? Are you a housewife? Whatever you are, I want you to start earning $1,000 in 12 hours. So let's dive in. I know you're there, 12 hours, Christine. So in a day I can, why are you not getting it? Let's break it down. If every day you are investing 1 hour, 1 hour in this app, watching only ads, video ads of almost less than 10 seconds, 1 hour, it means it will take you 12 days to make this money. So how viable is it? It is very, very advantageous compared to other apps because this one is also free of charge. You can download it and do it from wherever you are, whether you're commuting in your taxi, whether you're at the beach, you are at the comfort of your home, you are at work, you can do it. You're a mother, you can do it. You're cooking, you can do it. You can earn $1,000. And here it is how we are going to make this $1,000 together. But before that, I would love to say thank you to every individual, especially our royal viewers, people who have been coming to watch our videos. Mark this, we don't do these videos only for views, only for making money. Yes, we are doing them to make money also because we are paid by AdSense. But on top of that, we are doing them to bring to you what is working for us, what is working for our friends, and what is working for other people. For you to make sure that you cannot miss grocery, for you to make sure that you can have something in you, you can be hopeful. We said no to cyber begging. So in this video, you're going to see what is this app or website that you can use to get $1,000 in 12 hours. The second thing you're going to see, we are going to see how do you get this app and how do you make this money? Because sometimes it's not viable for you to say 12 hours and you get $1,000. But it depends on you. How dedicated are you? How do you want to get it? What are you going to do it? They can, even if they say money is in the hole there, you can dig it. There are people who are not going to dig that hole to get that money. And there are people who are there, they say, I have to dig that hole and I get that money. So it is left up to you. The information is here. If you want to dig to that money, it's up to you. If you don't want to dig to that money, if you feel no, it is, 12 hours is too much a day, I'm too busy, it is also okay. Let's dive in and see what is this app. The app is called Paidwork. Paidwork was introduced to me. It was one of the first app that brought me to online business, online, making money in 2020, 2022. Then it went to making money in 2023. And in making money in 2024 is superb. So let's dive in and say this Paidwork. Paidwork, you can access it on all of your gadgets. Do you have any type of a smartphone? If you have iPhone, you're there. If you have Android, you can also download it. The moment you download it, you head off and start. Even if you don't download it, before you download it, you can even register. What I want you to do, if you download it, I want you to follow the prompts. Follow the prompts and register you can register using your Google. You can register using your names, your emails. After registration, you head over to the first interface. When you finish doing the registration and you you go direct, your interface is going to look like this. Let's go together. I'm going to do for you the screenshot as usual. I'm going to do screen recording such that you can see exactly how Paidwork looks like when you just join it. So the name is Paidwork. If at all maybe you put Paidwork and very many things come, please follow this one. So, but the registration first. Let me show you how the registration is going to be done. Just give me a few minutes and we do this and we see how we can make this money in very few hours, in very few minutes. So head over to your browser, sign in if you want to sign in or you want to sign up. The moment you finish it, it will come like this. When it comes like that, you head over to your dashboard. You are going to find a lot of like 5 to 7 elements on your dashboard. On your dashboard, you're going to find their dashboard, you're going to find their earn money, you're going to find their billing, analytics, and achievements, referral, and help. So what we want you to base on, I want you to base on earning. When you go and click on earning, it is going to bring you a lot of things, how many methods you can use for this earning. But today, I'm going to teach you how you can earn $1,000 in 12 days with only watching ads. And these ads are very simple, easy. It's you just click yes, click next, click next. So when you go there, you click on earn. The moment you click on earn, it will bring for you all the tasks, all the different ways of earning on this website. For you to earn on this website, they tell you every 1,000 points. In other words, you earn in points, not in dollars. But these points are converted into money, that is dollars. So every 1,000 points, you get $3.6. And of which this $3.6 can easily be got. This $1,000 can easily be got. So suppose you say, every day, I want to get $15. It is very easy for you. So you head over, you leave other you leave other tasks like playing games, like multitasking, shopping, online shopping, filling out surveys, and microtask. You leave those ones, head over to watch videos. I'm bringing for you watch videos because anyone can use it. Click on watch videos. When you click on watch videos, it is going to test you whether you're a human being or you're not a human being. So follow the prompts. Then continue also and start watching the videos. When you watch the videos, it gives you points. The videos go from 1 to even 10 seconds. Afterwards, you click next, you click next. The moment, in any case, the videos get finished, they will notify you that the videos are finished because there is a lot of people that are playing these videos. I recommend you, if you want to play these videos and with high points, you can always use your night time when people are sleeping. That's what I do. So head over to your watch videos, watch as many as you can, depending on the target that you have on a daily basis. So let's do the calculation. Suppose you are playing a video of 500 points. 500 points. How many points are you going to make in 1 hour? And it might be there and you say, no, I want to extend mine and make 2 hours. Me, I'm calculating at 1 hour depending on my time that I have. So the moment you finish that, head over to your payment. You want to withdraw your money immediately. If you want to withdraw your money immediately, there is no any problem. But before you head over to your payment method, I would love you to go to referral program. I really have earned a lot from this referral program. And as I talk on referral program, I have a number of individuals that have used my referral. And as you watch right now, if you want to join this, please, I want you to head to the description of this video or to the comment section. Click on that link on referral. If you want to join this paid work, join it. This is one of the method that is simple, that will teach you or will make you love it or will not love it. So out of my referral, I have a number of many people that have referred. Others have already reached their withdrawal, but they have never withdrawn. And there are others I can see. There's one who has 2 out of 100%. There's one who has 9 out of 100%. There's one who have 1. That one means he's not praying. There's 2 out of 100. So people have already joined it. But how are they doing it? It's the one that matters. So let's head over. If you want also to earn this money, you can refer using your link. As you can see, the moment you sign up, they are going to give you a ring. They say the moment you use your link, you invite a friend or someone from the internet to earn money on paid work. If a person earns at least 30 dirham, that is according to United Arab Emirates, and makes a withdrawal, you'll both get 30 for free. In other words, I'll get, you will get. It's not that they are going to cut on your money, you're going to withdraw, but the paid work, the system is going to give me 30 and it also gives you 30. So this is a two-way thing. So please, wherever you are, you can send your invite to somebody, you can send your link to somebody and earn as much as you can. Then now let's head over to another element on this dashboard. There is achievement. What do you achieve in this? Achievements are in different ways. I've not gone very far on this. I'm on level 2. So how do you determine these levels? These levels are determined by the way you participate. Yes, and they give you according to your experience. Like for me now, I'm on level 2, but you can work and go to your level 5, 10. There are how many? Let me see how many levels that are there. They are up to 5. So there are very many levels anyway, because there is ad watcher master, ad watcher addict, ad watcher commune. All these ones, it depends on what exactly are you dealing with. If you're dealing in analysis, or you're dealing in survey, you're dealing with watching ads, or you're dealing with shopping and even playing games. But today we're talking about playing games. I mean, we're talking about watching ads. The next day, I'm going to bring for you how to make also the survey in another video. So let's head over to the billing and withdraw our money. How do you withdraw your money? It is very simple to withdraw your money. It will not take even a second. I've withdrawn 3 times from this. There's what you do. You go to and click on, you go to your dashboard, click on my earnings. Then when your earnings are portrayed, you click on withdraw. When you click on your withdraw, it will tell you add on the payment method. To add on the payment method, before it had two payment methods, PayPal and Woken, but it changed it to one. Woken is a Salon wallet. So what you do, you go and create on your Salon wallet. It is very easy for you to create it. If you don't know how to create this Woken or the Salon wallet, you can write it in the comment section. I'll make you go through it with me for free. So you put in your wallet, then you click on add method. The moment you click on add method, you make a withdraw. Immediately it is going to transfer. It doesn't take even up to 20 minutes. It will send your money. From there, you can transfer your money if you want it to remain it in cryptocurrency, or you want it to be sent to your bank. So if you see me, so far now in this third withdraw, I still have 1.26 dirham, not in dollars, but I can make it go to a higher and higher. So now let's go back to our topic of how to earn money 1,000 in 12 hours. It depends on your good practices. Good practices, now I'm going to give you one. One of them is to make sure that you go for higher videos that have higher points. That is one. Two, you make sure that you come regularly in that 1 hour that you're putting, even if it is 20 minutes, but it is 1 hour in total. You make sure you come at any time. Make sure that you do this and do as many ads as you can. Three, you can use the best time whereby you find there is no competition. That is, I told you, in the night hours, people are not playing these games, so you can they're not playing these ads. You can play as many as possible. So bisect your $1,000 out in these 12 hours. $1,000 in these 12 hours, you'll find you're working the money that you did not expect to make. Go for it, finish your tasks. And if you want also to top up with full amount, you have to make sure that you do referrals. Thank you very much. Hope this one was helpful for you. Go ahead and give it a try. But remember, it's not about trying, it's about persistent, it's about your goal setting, and it's about what you want. See you in another video.